All right, so welcome again, Military Guna TV, and we were trashed. We were slapped, we were brutalized, we were molested, we were raped, we were abused. Liverpool came to the Emirates and they did do a number on us. And I mean, they totally did do a number on us. It's been such a long while since we've been so embarrassed. I mean, totally embarrassed. We were outgunned, outmanned, outworked. Let me see, out intensity, out aggressiveness. They did out everything. They overdosed us in every aspect. And that boils down to quality. Yes, quality in the managerial aspect, quality in the player aspect. No one expect I don't even think Arteta expect to feel a team out there and then for them to be performing that badly. Yes, we can say we have a good enough team to stand up, but mentality, players mentality, people, players mentality. Look at how Liverpool players were operating. I didn't see much talking from Jurgen Klopp because the players knew what was at hand. They knew what they were up to do. They knew exactly what was supposed to happen. They knew. But guess what? They did the job. Our players, it's a free thing, right? It's a free thing. It's literally free. So we just come on and go to the field and let's roll some leather. Let's play some ball. Let's just enjoy ourselves. Come on. We need that elite mentality from the coach to the players, from the owner of the club to the board, to the executive board, also to the manager, and then to the players. Arteta today was not good enough, to be fair. It was not good enough. I can't build an excuse for you. Everyone who knows me knows that I rate Arteta. I highly rate Arteta. And they will be coming at me for this. They will definitely be coming at me for this. But guess what? I cannot defend you in this one. The player should be mentally ready. That is part of your responsibility. The player should be physically ready. That is also a part of your responsibility. Tactical, the players, that is also your responsibility. And there was no tactics whatsoever. No, the players, let's go on. I did do my number on Arteta. Yes, that's it. So Arteta, you hold the hell for that. That was very, very poor. The players know, if you are playing for the badge, you represent. You represent, and I mean you represent that badge properly. You represent the team. You stand out. You don't allow another team to come at your home ground and bully you. You don't allow that. Liverpool bullied us. They bullied us. They slapped us. They bullied us. They slapped us. They bullied us and then slapped us again. They sent us outside of the Emirates, called us back inside the stadium. They slapped us. Sent us outside to cry. And then called us back inside the stadium again and then slapped us. That is what they did. So, Liverpool 3, Arsenal 0. Possession, they dominated it 66% possession to 34. Shots, 16 shots to 7. No, to 5 to be fair. 3 on target for Arsenal. 2 off target. 7 on target for Liverpool. And the rest is off target. They came all guns blazing and they did the job. They did a job on us. They showed us what it means to fight for the badge. They showed us what it means to not walk alone. Because we were the team walking alone. We were at home. They could have actually scored more goals. They created 5 big chances and scored 2 of that. We created no big chances. We didn't even lay a finger on them to say that we had an impact in the game. That was really, really poor. Arsenal, Arteta, stand cranky. Learn from these because we're going to the business end of the season. And it is very, very difficult to defend someone when you consistently fail. And you are failing now, Arteta. You have to work on it. You are failing now. To be fair, I have to be fair. You are failing now. I respect you. I rate you highly, but you are failing now. You are failing now. But anyways, people, an embarrassing day in the office. Liverpool 3, Arsenal 0. I don't see a way around from coming back from this one. But people, thank you very much for tuning in. Much respect, Military Guna TV. Please hit the like button before you go. And subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you like the content. Yeah, confused. The content, Military Guna TV. Guess what? I am out.